Hey everyone, welcome on our new channel. Hope you guys doing great. So without wasting time, let's get started. Today I will tell you how to download WordPress. Let's go on browser and search WordPress.org. Oops, my internet not working. Yes, now here it is. Click on Get WordPress, and now download from here. I have already installed. Let me show you. Here it is. Copy from there and paste in XAMPP folder in Docs. Now extract the file. This is the file now. Open your XAMPP. And run these three. And now go back to Google and search localhost/myadmin. This is for creating database. Now after that you will search localhost/WordPress/ for open your WordPress dashboard. Click on Let's Go. Now enter your database name here and username root password. Will be blank. Select the language here, I choose English. Fill all the field. In title you will write your site title like shop, shoes, anything. Here enter the other details. Enter the username password here. Here is dashboard of WordPress. It will give you a default web page. Here you go, open like this. I will show you my web page. If you want to learn WordPress properly, comment down, then we make a full video on that topic. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. More magical content soon. Please do subscribe our channel and like, share with your friends.